Welcome, here I've got Honor 20 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. At the second place we have location tag, so this option allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using this button we can turn it off or turn it on like that as we need. And also here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and hit the thumbs up.